What is up, YouTube? We're back with another video in the garage. We're back working on the K24. So in the last video, we prepped this thing. We took all the accessories off, cleaned it all up, just a rough cleanup, and we sprayed the fogging oil, throw it under the valve cover, the pistons, intake, exhaust valves, all that good stuff. Now in this video, we're gonna be prepping this thing for primer and paint. So gonna be, pull it out for you guys. We're gonna be cleaning up all this with a wire brush, cleaning up everything. Maybe taking the crank off, I don't know yet. Just cleaning everything up, masking it off, getting it ready for primer. I don't know if I'm gonna paint it in this video because I don't know how long this is gonna take. I know my transmission took a while. You can go see that video. I'll put a link for it when I painted my tranny. I'll be using the same color. I'm gonna go for like a silver. Yeah, that's it. It's not much to it. Just gotta clean it up. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I got a little assortment of wire brushes and some others I gotta find. Got this I can put on the drill, this I can put on the drill and get in the grooves by hand. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of wire brushing. I'm gonna time lapse most of this. We're just gonna clean it up. I'm gonna take some before and after photos and I'll put them in the video. Let's get to it. Alright guys, that is all the prep done. You can see everything I don't want to get primer and paint on is masked off. Everything is ready to go, front and back. I'm not painting the head because the head's clean. Just gonna do the block and the timing cover. And it's about not touching the valve cover. Gonna be putting on the one from my existing motor. So yeah, let's get to the next part. Alright guys, we're on our way to Canadian Tire to go pick up the primer and spray paint for the engine, and I don't think we need anything else. I'll catch you guys when I'm there. Alright guys, we're back. We got our primer and our paint, and got an engine to the left of me. We're ready to go paint this thing. Let's get to it. Okay. We're all ready to go. Decided to do it outside because the fumes, when I did my transmission, it got way too smelly in the garage, and need a well ventilated area. Plus it's sunny outside, want to take advantage of that. So quickly, I'm just gonna go over it with brake clean and then blow it all off. Just last minute touches, and then I'll start do a light coat of primer. Not gonna go heavy, and see how it reacts. Trying to get 2 coats of primer, and then I'll give it a light scuff on the primer, and then go. We'll see how much 1 can brings me, because I'd like to use a can of primer, can of paint, you know. And yeah, let's get into it. Gonna let it dry a little bit. I'm gonna go get my heat gun just in case there's some wet spots, and we'll get to the primer. Let's go. So this is a high heat primer. We're gonna do a coat of this and then see how it goes. Alright, so that's the first coat of primer. I didn't go too heavy. I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit and then go for a second coat. See you then. So that's after the final coat of primer. Motor looks crazy. I'm not doing the head because I feel like the head's clean enough. Look at that. That's gonna look nuts. Absolutely nuts. I cannot wait until the aluminum finish. It's gonna look insane. So now quickly, it's pretty dry. I'm just gonna give everything a light scuff so that the actual paint sticks to it a lot better, and then gonna blow it off, clean it, do the final coats of paint, final process of this. Let's get to it. Alright guys, time to do the final coat of engine enamel. This is high heat engine paint. Went for the aluminum finish. Want that OEM look, so let's get into it. Alright, that's the first coat. It looks crazy. All finished. Oh, look at that. Look at that engine block. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna start peeling off all the masking tape. And yeah. Alright guys, that is all the painting done for this engine. Look at that. Look at how everything came out. It looks crazy. Don't worry, nice valve cover will be going on, like the one I got in the car, maybe even the same one. We will see. Look at that. I'm gonna leave this tape on because that's covering the coolant ports. Oh, look at that, all clean. So now it's time to cover it, put it into storage. This is the end of part 2 of the motor prep. The next videos that we'll be doing on this engine will be prepping it to actually go into the car. So now the prep is done. Now it's swap time basically. So don't know when we're gonna put the motor in, because the one that's in my car currently is still going strong. Knock on wood. But now at least I can sleep at night knowing if it does go, we have one in the garage that's ready to go, all cleaned up, painted, prepped, everything's good to go. Now it's just a matter of swapping over the accessories that are on my current motor onto this one. And yeah, look at how great this thing looks. Wow, it's gonna look even greater with all the accessories and the valve cover. Right now it looks crappy with the valve cover, but once we put a nice one on there, this motor's gonna look crazy with the charger on the front, water pump on, all that good stuff. That being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. God bless.